Good morning, everyone. This morning I am going to have breakfast with one of my friends. So this morning we did a Waisalo run for my parents, and this weather is not good. Look at my hair. I know, did it myself. This week I had a very busy, productive week this week. I took my parents to Ewa Marikoko. It's groups for old people. So I took mum and dad on Wednesday and I sat with them. We loved it. I loved it for them. Funny because mum is really like going out apart from going to church and just seeing family. Well, that is going out, but I mean like going out to hang out with people outside of church and home, I guess. I mean, I'm just saying home, like me and my dad. And then like, man, she just like gelled in with everyone. Everyone was so welcoming. Oh my god, I did a big wave. You probably saw that earlier. I saw a car that looks like Lena and Siko's car, and I thought it was them. And I was waving hard out thinking it was them, but it wasn't them. OMG. Guys, I'm wearing like nothing. Like, look at me. Oh, I don't like my ears when they do this. They have this thing where the train's going and I'm like just, I can't see in front of me. And I'm just feeling so great. You know, the funny thing is that I'm wearing these shades and it's not even like sunny.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna take them off because I feel rude to Mother Nature. I hate driving, man. Yeah, I'm going to just gonna go get some umala for mum and dad's lunch. I am getting some umala. But this is what I'm gonna be singing. Oh my yatasoma, oh my yatasoa la la la. I don't know why I do this. I have a habit of like holding my chin back. Oka, ko kika o ole falele I umole intro le bese. Leo so bese itula ia. Ho ofu I ofu. Yeah, I actually took you guys the long way just so I can sing, and this will be my last solo for you guys. Oh